how to delete purchase history on Play Store. So first of all, open your Play Store app and then click on your profile at the top right. Then you'll click on payment and subscription and then tap on this third option, that is budget and history. So here it will show you all of your budget history and also your purchase history, everything you've purchased from the Play Store and the apps that you've downloaded from here. Unfortunately, I do not have anything here because I've recently opened this account. So for you, there might be some of the purchases that you have made and that will show up here. But unfortunately, there is not an option to delete the purchase history. In order to do that, you'll have to go back again and click on your profile at the top right. Tap on this manage your Google account and then go to data and privacy. Once you're on data and privacy, you scroll down until you get to data from the apps and services that you use. So apps and services, you can see here is Google Play Store. You're going to click on it and here is an option to delete a service. And if you go to the settings, there might be an option to delete your purchase history, but if that does not show up, then the only thing that you can resort to is to delete your entire Google account, because unfortunately there is not a specific option to delete a purchase history on Play Store. So if you can't find the option to delete Play Store from the previous option, then the only thing that you can resort to is deleting your Google account completely. And that's how you can delete any kind of history from Google Play Store. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.